Hello, I'm going to show how to attach a gun to a character. Create a new third-person blueprint project. I'm going to name mine Connect Gun. Press Create. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.22.0. Add the animation starter pack to your project. Add the FPS weapon bundle to your project. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, right-click UE4 ASP_character and edit. There's a compiler warning. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Input, Action Mappings, Add Action Mapping, name it Crouch, enter keyboard C, right-click the character blueprint, edit. Now compile and save. So adding the crouch to the input fixed the compile warning. Edit, Project Settings, Maps and Modes. Under Selected Game Mode, Default Pawn Class, change it to UE4 ASP_character. Select the third-person character, edit, and delete. Press play to test. You can see that the capsule is showing. I'll show you how to fix that. Right-click the UE4 ASP character, edit. Select Capsule Component, uncheck Visible, compile, and save. Press play to test. Now it's working correctly, the capsule's not showing. Right-click the UE4 ASP character, edit. Go to Content, FPS Weapon Bundle, Weapons, Meshes, AR4. Now drag the SK_AR4 skeletal mesh here, and then drag it over the mesh. Right-click the UE4 ASP character, edit, go to Viewport, select the SK_AR4, under Parent Socket, press the magnifying glass to bring up the options. enter hand_R. Now you need to adjust the gun until it looks like it's positioned correctly in the hand. I'm going to change this to 1, this to 5. That looks like it's positioned pretty good, so I'm going to compile and save, and then I'll see what it looks like. I'm going to drag in the character so I can get a better look at the gun, press play to test. I think the position looks pretty good. You can always adjust it. This is not set up to shoot the gun yet, but the player can walk, it can jump, and it can crouch.